No list of basic twists would be complete without the rhombus, and that's why I included 2 lessons on the rhombus twist inside of Basic Twist Bootcamp. So first, using the rhombus in an arrangement that's best to practice the rhombus because you get those right and left-handed forms and everything's on the same side. So it's really the simplest tessellation that you can get a lot of good repeats with right and left-handed forms of the rhombus. And also with this arrangement of hexagons, triangles, and rhombi that introduces a simpler way of using rhombus twists in combination with hexagons and triangles than most of what I saw when I was reverse engineering my first 200 tessellations when I was first starting out. And in this arrangement, we actually get to good stopping places on the border, and we will continue to for as many repeats as we want to do. So getting into the complexities of, okay, now we're going to use these twists together is one of the many strengths that I built into Basic Twist Bootcamp to make sure that you're building a strong foundation for folding whatever tessellation you want to fold in the future.